3, 2, 1.
Oh, that'll be a blooper. Hey everybody, so I'm back. We have our flashing tape that I'm gonna go ahead and put on the window. I'm going to take off the window, set it down gently, attach my flashing tape, put the window back on, and attach all these pieces back to it. I think it's gonna be great. What could possibly go wrong? All right, here we go.
Removing the window was pretty easy and straightforward. I shoved all the insulation back inside the shed.
All right, outstanding adhesion. Okay, flashing tape, zip system. Works on a variety of surfaces, repositionable material. Okay, that's good to know. Water resistant barrier, apply between 0 and 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. Okay, it's an acrylic adhesive and I just stuck it. So, let's do it. I think I'm gonna start with the top first. Also, something to add, I didn't bring the rolling thing, and I'm not sure, I think that's a bad thing, but we're gonna try to put it on anyway. It's not really telling me how to use it, and it's weird because it's smooth here, and the tip is sticky, but right after the tip, it's actually not sticky. So I guess, let me see if I have to peel this. Yeah, I have to peel it. Okay. My fleshing knife. These things are like really sharp. It's a fleshing knife. It's for fleshing animals. Just trying to be really careful. Just kidding. All right, let's try this one.
Alright, we're gonna fast speed this. By the way, this tape is not repositionable. They lied. It's very sticky, not repositionable. And there it is. I flashed the window. All around. Good deal. I saw some staples that I had from when I had to block this window, so I'm just removing them. I positioned the window as I thought it would be good. I just went around and filled in as many of the holes as I could. I know you're not technically supposed to do all of them, so I just kind of did every other one, except on the top, which I think I put too many. So I noticed that it was kind of bowed in the top part, but I kind of just kept going thinking it was maybe just like an optical illusion. I went ahead and put the rest of the framing part of the window. It was really easy to put on. Everything went into the stud. And again, I don't know if you can tell or not, but I noticed a bowing on the top of that window that just didn't seem right to me. I made sure the bottom was all done. Noticed again that I didn't really try to open or close the windows, but they worked fine. So that's bothering me, so I'm going to go ahead and take those off. Make it a little bit more even as far as every other one on the screws, and put it back on. I hope Chris likes it. I'm going to put foam on the inside and on the underneath part. This is what it looks like from the inside with the window open.
This is the other window that is broken, shattered. Like, that's glass. That one has to get replaced. So that'll be the next one to get replaced. Stick around. Okay, so that's what it looks like on the inside with both of the windows shut. I think that for the price, for what it's worth, for us doing it on our own for the first time, I think it was fine. I'm not 100% sure if I want to use the same window on the one that's right in front of me right now. I feel like it wasn't as strong as a window should be. Like the metal one that came with the shed feels a lot stronger than this one. But if it works, it works, and it's not really gonna be sustaining anything really strong because the catio is gonna go right on that side. So I'm not too worried about it. I think I like it. We'll see how it we'll see how it works or goes or feels, I don't know, a year from now or a few minutes from now when my husband checks on it. But I think it came out okay. Still got a lot to learn, but willing to do the work and keep on learning. All right, guys, thank you.
Well, that's all, folks. It looks okay. Looks a little weird on the top, but it's pretty even. I put a level on it and it looks fine. Thank you, everybody, for watching. I'm sorry for any weirdness in the videos. It was really hard to edit this video for some reason. I was working and talking in random spots, but anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to the next window. Bye. God bless you all, and get your hands dirty in the garden.